Welcome back to Mars Innovative Learning. I am Mars. In today's video, we are going to learn about efficiencies of steam power plant and choice of site for steam power plant. This is the fourth topic from the unit Steam Power Plant. Also, there is a playlist that has been maintained. So if you are new to this channel, please go to our playlist. You will find a lot of information. Let's get started. As you can see, the stages of energy transformation is schematically represented on the board. The efficiencies associated with steam power plant are thermal efficiency and overall efficiency. First of all, what is efficiency? Efficiency is one of the most frequently used terms to indicate how well the energy is converted into useful work. It is also defined as the output energy to the input energy. If you observe the diagram, this is the one which we have already discussed in our previous video. If you want further information about this diagram, you can check that. Consider 3 points in this diagram. First one at the inlet of the boiler. Second one between the turbine and generator. Third one at the outlet of the generator. First point represents the heat energy in the fuel. Second point represents the mechanical work produced in the turbine, or it is also called as turbine output. Third point represents the electrical power generated or generator output. When we apply the efficiency formula, general formula, that is output energy by input energy, thermal efficiency is considered between points 1 to 2. So when we apply the formula in thermal efficiency, we get generator output to the fuel or heat energy in the fuel. So thermal efficiency is defined as the ratio of generator output to the heat energy in the fuel as an input. If we apply the same formula for overall efficiency, it is between 0.1 to 0.3. That is generator output to the heat energy in the fuel as an input. So finally, the overall efficiency is defined as the ratio of generator output to the heat energy generated in the fuel as an input. Why we are considering the thermal efficiency between 1 to 2 means heat is generated in the boiler, and due to that the water is converted into steam. Steam tends to rotate the blades of the turbine, so that it is considered. The thermal efficiency of the modern steam power plant is 30%, and the overall efficiency of the modern steam power plant is 29%. The overall efficiency is always less than the thermal efficiency due to the transmission losses. Coming to the choice of site for steam power plant. Effective power plant site selection is based on several factors. The ideal site for steam power plant is maybe at load centers, but it is not always practicable due to soil conditions, availability of cooling water, and transport facilities for coal. The other choices for steam power plant are near the coal mines or at the locations where coal can be easily delivered. As I have said, in practice it is not possible to obtain such an ideal location. The important factors to be considered while selecting a site for steam power plant are supply of fuel, availability of water, transportation facilities, cost and type of load, load centers, distance from the populated areas. First one, supply of fuel. It should be located near the coal mines. Availability of water. It should be near the permanent water sources such as rivers and lakes to ensure the continuous supply of water. Transportation facilities. It should be well connected with the other parts of country by rail or road. Cost and type of load. It should be located where the land is cheap and expansion should be possible. Coming to load centers. It should be located near the load centers to avoid transmission losses. Distance from the populated areas. Considerable distance from the populated areas should be maintained. So that's all for today. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to share this video with your friends. I need your subscription, I need your thumbs up to keep the journey going on. Thank you so much.